Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a Hobby Lobby haul. I went to Fast Care today because I haven't felt good. Well, I just got a cold. It's just got to run its course. Lungs are fine, you know. My ear's clear, except I blew out my ear from blowing my nose too much. Well, right next past Fast Care, I went to Hobby Lobby. I put a mask on and I went in. And Scott wasn't back yet, so I had time to waste. Actually, I'm going to show you. I went to Dollar Tree. Got me some house cough drops. I was out of Kleenexes. Got some Kleenexes. Just showed you. But, show you. I was checking out, and they had these for $1. I got diamond one because she's a diamond. Scott wanted the brushes. Scott asked me if I had a brush like this not too long ago, so for $1 or for a quarter each, I bought it $1 worth. And then I actually got 4 of these, but Scott snapped 2 for work. Little pads of paper for a quarter. And then I got each one of the grandkids one of these squeezables for a quarter. Yeah, for the grandkids. So that's for Dollar Tree. Plus I got more Kleenexes and some soda. Got me some lemon lime soda. Now to the Hobby Lobby. Alright. I'll start out with the big purchase at the Hobby Lobby. Oh, you want to... it's a Hobby Lobby. And there's this little elderly couple. And she's like, excuse me. Workers walk past them. Few common people. And I'm like, can I? And she's like, excuse me. And I'm like, can I help you? She's like, yes. And so I helped them. And then we were talking, and I was already headed to checkout. And she gets up to the checkout, and they go before me, and she buys a gift card, and she says, put $30 on this, please. Lady puts $30 on it. They check out. She hands me the $30 gift card and says, thank you for helping me. I was like, oh my God, you don't have to do that. And she's like, no. So besides having my $30 for myself to play with, I ended up with another $30 from the elderly couple because they were so sweet that I helped them. So, because I was only going to buy 3 of these and what's in the bag, or 2 and what's in the bag. So I went back and grabbed more. So, I'll show you. I went back and Joe told me about these, the acrylic with pump lid paint. So I got Verdanian. I hope it's the color of the jug. I didn't even think of that. Well, we will see. Oh yeah, look at that pretty blue. I love that blue color. So for $6 in is it 49 cents? So I got this one. And then I got this one, which says Canadian orange or Canadian orange. $6.49. They were $12.99. It looked like they lowered them one time before that. And I got neutral gray. This was the only one I was actually going to leave. But then I grabbed the orange and the blue and grass green and yellow. I forgot my phone at home, so I asked the lady to hold them. I was going to ask Scott if I could spend an extra little bit more. And then burnt umber. I want to check the burnt umber. If it's the maroon color or brown. Or, but we'll see. Let's see. Me, burnt umber. It's a toss-up sometimes. Oh, it's a brown tone. But you know what? I can make paint with paint, so no problem. But for $6.49, I grabbed them. And I'll use them. I'll be adding them to containers. Oh, so goddamn. And I'm tired, guys. I don't, like I said, I don't feel good. I can't hear out of one ear at the moment. No ear infection. That's what I went in the clinic for. They didn't even have me fill out paperwork. I think they just were ready to go home. I came in. I said I just wanted my ear checked out if I should go to the doctor. So she checked out my ear. My ear is clear. And she told me I'm just having the common cold that everybody else is experiencing. So when I was in also Hobby Lobby. By the way, my son's getting married this July. And their colors are pink and green. And I found these on clearance. I thought they were a little tissue pom-poms. Got 2 of them with the big ones and then a little thing of small ones. I hope she likes them. I wasn't sure. And I thought this was pretty. If she wears it on her wedding day, she wears it. If she don't, she don't. I thought it was really pretty for $4.99 for my son's fiance. I hope she likes it. And then, right there, I hit the markers. The Sharpie department. I got 2 big ones of the Sharpie Black Noir. Let's get 2 big ones. And red, blue, different sizes. Pretty much grabbed what they had left. Black, always use black. Black, silver, purple, darker blue, gold, blue, red, and that'd be it. And I use a lot of paint markers in a dark blue. Oh, I thought it was different blue. And a silver. So that's my haul all. Can't wait to see this. Look how nice and big that is. Cool. So that's my Hobby Lobby haul. And my Dollar Tree. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all this paint. So I'll talk to you tonight. Or talk to you later. There is no mixed media tonight, guys. TNT mixed media. I am taking some meds and crawling under the covers with some lemon honey tea and getting this cold done. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of being sick. I had vertigo for a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, or no, yeah, a week, and now I got this. I'm like just tired. My body's run down, so I am going to rest the weekend. I had plans to go out to dinner with my son and his fiance this weekend, and we canceled it. So I'm not going anywhere. I wouldn't have went anywhere today except Scott thought I should have my ear checked. So I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. And go check out Jen Muir's Hobby Lobby.